Hare Krishna everyone. Today I am showing you how you can fill up your NORCET 11 form. First you have to open your Google and search AIIMS official website. This one. Next go to the first link, that is AIIMS or All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Here if you scroll down, there is 3 sections, that is academic courses. But now we are we are doing form fill up of NORCET 11. So we will come to the recruitment section, and there are so many exams. Um, this one. This one is NORCET, Nursing Officer Recruitment Common Eligibility Test. We will click here, and this is the notice of NORCET 11. Click on the view details. If you have given already any exam from AIIMS, then you have already have an account. If you do not have any account, just click on the create a new account. Here you give your mobile number, then again write your mobile number here to confirm the mobile number, then email address, and again type the same email address in the confirm email address, then generate OTP. Then there will be a section where you can put your OTP. Next is verification. Okay, I have already an account, so I do not show this. So this is your contact details, and next if you put details here, next step the verification process will be open. If you click on the generate OTP here, you can see enter the, if you check your email messages, there should be a OTP, that is your phone OTP, and if whatever email address you have put, check the email for the OTP of email OTP, and then proceed for verification. If you verify, then the other details like verification of Aadhaar and then personal details वो कुछ पूछेंगे वो बताना पड़ेगा. फिर you can create your own password that will help you for the further login. Okay, I have already, so I can't do this. Okay, I have already an account, so I will go to the login section. After creating an account, you have to log in. So here, you can put your candidate ID, which was sent to your message or email ID, or you can put your mobile number here and your password. So I have already my email ID and password, sorry, mobile number and password. So I am logging. Here, this is a fresh form where I have no applications of recruitment. So, if you want to apply for NORCET 11, you just click on the add a new application. And after that, there is basic details they want from you. And this basic details is already filled in your personal details when you are going to create an account. That is your father's name, your mother's name, your gender, your category, like you are from UR or general or SC, ST, OBC, whatever you are. Put the category here. You can see this. Then nationality, I think all are now seeing this video are Indian, so put the Indian nationality. And then state of the domicile, it means from where you are belonging. Then the ID proof number, you can select Aadhaar or PAN card or these 5 things, any one of these 5 things, and you have to put the ID number whatever you have chosen. For example, I have chosen Aadhaar card, so I have to put my Aadhaar number here. 1 2 3 4 like this way, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1. This 12 digit Aadhaar number you have to put here. After that, you have to answer you are a ex-service person or not. I think most of you are not as ex-serviceman, so put no. Um, then marital status, and if you are an employee, just tick here. If you are not currently an employee of ESI, so then put no. Then put your date of birth, your permanent address. From here, please drop down. You can put your whole permanent address, like first country. Then select the state. I am from West Bengal, so I am putting West Bengal. Then city, that is I am from Hooghly. So where is Hooghly? Oh, this is Hooghly. And put your pin code, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever your pin code. Then you can put your whole address, like 1 VR Street. Date of passing is your last exam result date. Like you open your last exam, for example, for BSc Nursing, it is 8 semester result, and in the mark sheet there is a date. Uh, for us, most of the cases, that is 16th of February 2026. So that will be your date of passing. Okay. So 16th of February 2026, that is a publication of your result, and you can next is you are registered as nurse and midwifery, and your registration number should be put here, like that is, you have to put your registration number here. Okay. You just put your full registration number both 2 times. Okay. And then name of the council and the date that is given on the your on your okay and the date that is given on your certificate of registration. uh, of Below your registration number there is a section. Below your registration number there is a point called dated, and there is a date that is, for us it is 9th June 2026. So go to June, 9th June and 2026. Okay. This is our qualification, and save and next. Okay. Next, do you have any experience? Okay, I have no experience, so I am choosing no. But if you have worked elsewhere, you can yes, and give the details, like organization where you have employed. Like there are so many aims and other options. You can say others also, where you can put the hospital name or institution name, then position you have hold, employee type, and date from how many bedded hospital that was, and starting date, and the currently working or not, length of services means how many days you are working for that institute, except that nature of the your duty, and you can add these things. I have no experience, so I, for the freshers who do not join in any institute, so for them this is no. And 7 next. Then the preferred state. Okay, this is the state choices where you can get the city for your exam center, city, or for your exam centers. Okay, so I am from West Bengal, so preferably it is West Bengal. My first preference is West Bengal. Okay. Next preference, for next preference, there should not be West Bengal. You have to choose except West Bengal. I can choose, I think Orissa. Orissa is better. Where is Orissa? Orissa. Orissa. This is Orissa. And third preference, I think Bihar. Okay. So this can be a preferable preference for West Bengal students. Okay. Save and next. Okay. Oh, sorry. There should be a fourth one also. Uh, Fourth one is anywhere in India. Okay. State choice, stage two. This is first one is for your preliminary and second is for your mains. Okay. I am feeling the same thing because that is very convenient for me. You can choose elsewhere if you present in different states or different places of India. So you can change the preferences. Okay. But not later. You have to change this during your form fill up only. Okay. Save and next. Then you have to upload your profile photo. Okay, there should be some criteria of that photo. You can read here that the photo should not be more than 6 months old. Means it should be current photograph, and it should be a color photograph. Clearly, your face should be visible. Your ears should be visible. Your hair should be tied properly. If you wear any spectacles, there should not be any reflection of light. Preferably, I am suggesting you, you should give a photo of your eyes where your eyes are properly visible. I think preferably you can choose a photo without your spectacles. They will allow you if you do not have the picture with spectacles in your exam hall. Okay. Except that the size of the picture should be 3.5 5 into 4.5 centimeter width. First you have to get a A4 size sheet. Okay, you have to get a A4 sheet and you have to draw with your pencil a 3.5 and 4.5 box, and you have to put the uh, mm, you have to paste the photograph in that and then scan the photograph and upload here. Okay, I have already mine, so I can put here upload desktop पर है upload here is a photograph. First you have to paste that photograph in 3.3 3.5 and 4.5 centimeter width, and then scan the whole document and then crop that. Okay, this is the process. So you can see here is my both ears are visible. The background should be white and the dress is of one color. It's better to if you have wear a solid color dress. It's preferred. Your eyes are properly visible. Your face should be properly visible and symmetrical. Your hair should be tied properly and proper size. You can crop the image also, but I have already cropped, so I am submitting this. Okay, this is done. You have to tick here that you are assuring that this photograph is not more than 6 months old. Next is your signature. In the same process, you can read the things here. The capital letters are not applicable. Only signing the only initial is not applicable. Overwriting is not acceptable. There are so many criteria. Just read from here, and the format should be JPG. JPG, PNG, this type of thing. You just read this and make the photograph like this, signature of this. In for the signature, you also have to make a box of 6 by 3. Matlab, you have to put a box 6 centimeter width and 3 centimeter length, like this way. Okay. This is my signature. You can see here. I am assuring I have uploaded my own signature, and then the left thumb impression. This is my left thumb impression. There is also some criteria of left thumb impression. Just read this. Read this thing. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So this is. And we have come to the last part of the form fill up, that is online payment link. You can pay through this link or this link. If you are belonging from SC, ST or PWD, their fees can be vary. This is the fees of general category. So this is showing. If you want to pay now, you can click here and you have to continue to proceed. Then you can pay here from here. Okay, you can pay with your card only. Okay, so after payment, the confirmation page will show you. Okay, now I am not paying for the exam, so I will pay later. So this is the whole process of form fill up. After this payment, your form fill up will be done. Okay. There will be a confirmation page. You have to print out the confirmation page and just keep it because during your verification after your selection, the page is required. So this is all about the form fill up. After you, if you want to pay for the pay the form, just click on the links and go to the payment options, and you will get the information. You will pay, and your form fill up will be done. If you want to pay later, you can exit from here because up to this it will be saved. Okay, 83% form fill up is done for us, so we are exiting. Okay, confirm, leave. Okay, this is application showing is pending. If your payment is done, then the application status is showing. The status will show submitted with a green color label. Okay, and there will be generated a ID number for you. Okay, this is very important. Um, so this is all about. After that, you can log out and this.